What's up, everyone? We are on the road to 11,000 subscribers. Okay, 2026 has been wild for tech. Flashy launches, insane prices, and gadgets that promise to change your life. But let's be real for a second. Some of these devices are all hype and no substance. Today we're breaking down the most overrated gadgets of 2026. The ones that look amazing in ads, dominate tech TikTok, but leave you wondering why you spent your money. Let's get into it. AI smart glasses Gen 3 and up. Remember when smart glasses were supposed to replace our phones? Yeah, still waiting. In 2026, AI glasses have become considerably smarter, offering real-time translation, notifications, and even basic augmented reality overlays that can enhance our environment. However, there are still significant challenges. The most pressing issue remains battery life, which continues to be disappointing. Despite advancements in technology, users find themselves constantly charging their devices, which limits the practicality of the glasses for everyday use. Moreover, they can feel awkward to wear in public spaces. Social dynamics play a crucial role in technology adoption, and the current design doesn't quite mesh with societal norms. Additionally, many features of smart glasses merely replicate functionalities that our smartphones already perform, often more effectively. They may be impressive in demos, captivating audiences with their futuristic appeal, but in the context of daily life, they often prove to be cumbersome and less than useful. Until advancements make these glasses lighter and more affordable and address the social hesitations surrounding their use, they remain an overrated accessory, more a gadget curiosity than a must-have device for the modern lifestyle. For now, we'll keep waiting for that breakthrough moment when smart glasses become genuinely useful. Fully autonomous home robots. Fully autonomous home robots are becoming an intriguing part of our technological landscape. Every year, companies showcase innovative advancements such as robots that fold laundry, prepare meals, and essentially act as personal butlers, offering a glimpse into an automated future. However, the reality of these gadgets often falls short of expectations. Not only are they incredibly expensive, making them less accessible to the average consumer, but they are also notoriously prone to breaking down frequently. These machines might promise convenience, but they still struggle with completing even the most basic tasks without human intervention, leading to frustration rather than ease. By 2026, these robots find themselves more frequently engaged in conversation at dinner parties than genuinely assisting us in our daily lives. Many people would rather not dedicate their evening to troubleshooting a glitchy robot at 11 p.m. Instead, the desire for seamless automation remains unfulfilled. As technology continues to advance, we hold out hope that manufacturers will address these challenges and create home robots that not only meet our expectations, but also enhance our daily routines, truly transforming the concept of household assistants. This scenario is incredibly frustrating. Imagine investing in essential home appliances like fridges, ovens, and coffee machines, only to find that their basic functionality is tethered to monthly subscription fees. Need advanced temperature controls? That's going to cost you extra each month. Looking for AI cooking suggestions tailored to your taste? You'll have to subscribe for that feature too. Even ensuring that your appliance operates at a satisfactory level now requires a payment plan. It raises the question, when did our trusty household items become luxury items, accessible only through ongoing financial commitments? The technology itself isn't necessarily flawed. It's advanced, innovative, and capable of enhancing our daily lives. However, the business model, which places such a heavy emphasis on continuous paywalls, leaves much to be desired. It transforms the simple act of cooking or preserving food into a complicated web of subscriptions and fees. For many consumers, this shift feels less like an upgrade and more like a burden. The ease and benefits of modern appliances are overshadowed by a confusing structure that doesn't prioritize customer satisfaction. Why should owning an appliance be considered a subscription service? The concept seems counterproductive, making what should be straightforward and beneficial into something overly complicated and costly. Foldable tablets. not phones, tablets. Foldable phones, they are definitely improving and becoming more mainstream. But when it comes to foldable tablets, the concept still seems unnecessary for most users. These devices tend to be heavy, fragile, and come with a crazy price tag that doesn't always deliver on its promises. The reality is that most people end up using them in the same way they would a regular tablet, simply for browsing, streaming, or reading. You're essentially paying a premium for a hinge that adds little to no value to your experience and creates an underlying anxiety about the durability of the device. While the idea of having a tablet that can fold for portability is indeed intriguing, the execution leaves much to be desired. The drawbacks overshadow any potential benefits, making foldable tablets feel like a solution in search of a real problem. Until manufacturers can address these concerns, many will continue to see foldable tablets as an expensive gimmick rather than a necessary evolution in technology. For now, it seems that sticking with traditional tablets is the more sensible choice for those seeking practicality and value. AI personal life coaches in 2026 introduced a variety of helpful tools, such as AI therapists, AI productivity coaches, and AI dating advisors. These innovations certainly have their place in offering support and guidance in our fast-paced world. After all, who wouldn't want a pocket-sized assistant ready to dispense advice at any hour? However, labeling these digital entities as true life coaches feels like a significant stretch. While they can provide helpful tips and frameworks for improvement, they often recycle generic advice that lacks the personal touch many people need. Moreover, these AI systems frequently overlook emotional nuances that a human advisor would recognize, leading to situations where they confidently present misguided or even harmful guidance. For someone grappling with deep-rooted issues, the absence of empathetic dialogue can feel stark and isolating. True life coaching involves intricate understanding and dialectical exchanges that foster genuine connection and reflection. While AI can serve as an initial resource or a supplementary tool, it fundamentally can't replicate the profound impact that a real human presence can have. The richness of personal interaction, empathy, and tailored insight remains irreplaceable, reminding us that technology, while powerful, still has its limitations in fostering authentic human growth. Smart rings are tiny, sleek, and futuristic devices that promise a variety of functionalities until you actually try using them. The challenge of cramming several features such as health tracking, payments, notifications, and gesture controls into an item the size of a coin leads to compromises at every turn. The tiny screens make it difficult to read notifications or interact intuitively, often resulting in frustrating user experiences. The controls can be confusing, requiring a level of finesse that many users may not possess, leaving them feeling overwhelmed by the technology. While these rings excel in basic health tracking, monitoring steps, heart rate, and sleep quality, they often fall short when it comes to more complex functionalities. Their battery life is typically limited, requiring frequent recharging, which can be inconvenient for those looking for continuous usage. As a result, smart rings may be considered overrated for those who want seamless integration into their daily lives. For users who value convenience and functionality, these compact devices can sometimes feel more like a novelty than an essential accessory. In a rapidly evolving tech landscape, many are left wondering if the trade-offs are worth the appeal of wearing something that resembles a piece of jewelry but functions like a tech gadget. Ultra-high-resolution VR headsets boasting 12K resolution provide an immersive experience that transports users into stunningly detailed virtual worlds. With advanced eye tracking technology and full-body sensors, these headsets promise a level of engagement and realism that is hard to match. It sounds incredible, doesn't it? However, the reality is that experiencing this state-of-the-art technology requires considerable investment and preparation. To harness the full potential of these devices, you would need a powerful gaming PC, often referred to as a monster PC, equipped with the latest graphics card and processing capabilities. Additionally, a spacious play area is crucial to fully enjoy the depth of movement and interaction that VR allows. And then there's the inevitable downside. After approximately 45 minutes of use, many users experience the onset of motion sickness, leaving them feeling disoriented and uncomfortable. While virtual reality in 2026 showcases groundbreaking advancements that are awe-inspiring, the practicality of incorporating these technologies into daily life remains a challenge. For many individuals, VR continues to function more as a captivating technology demonstration rather than a seamless lifestyle choice, highlighting the gap between innovation and everyday usability. If a product has the term AI attached to it, chances are it's doing the bare minimum to warrant that label. We see AI toothbrushes designed to track our brushing habits, but ultimately, their benefits are often overstated. AI water bottles might remind us to stay hydrated, yet they stop short of offering personalized hydration plans based on activity levels or climate conditions. Even alarm clocks that claim to learn your sleep patterns still manage to wake us up late, leading to frustration rather than a restful start to the day. In the year 2026, AI branding seems to be everywhere, permeating our daily lives and influencing our buying habits. However, when we dig deeper, we find that genuine innovation often takes a back seat to clever marketing strategies. The rush to label products as AI-powered may create a facade of advancement, but it frequently lacks the substance that consumers truly desire. Rather than feeling empowered by advanced technology, we are left with devices that often don't deliver on their promises. The challenge now lies in filtering through the noise to find products that genuinely enhance our lives through meaningful, innovative AI applications rather than simplistic features masquerading as breakthroughs. Don't get me wrong, tech in 2026 is awesome, but flashy doesn't always mean useful, and expensive doesn't always mean better. If a gadget solves a problem you don't have, locks basic features behind subscriptions, or just exists for clout, it might be overrated. If you enjoyed this list, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech reality checks, and drop a comment. What gadget do you think is the most overrated right now? See you in the next one.